Investing in your home is one of the most effective ways to increase its value, and in a market like Rochester Hills, strategic remodeling can make a significant difference. Whether you're planning to sell in the future or simply want to improve your living space, the right renovations can enhance both functionality and long-term return on investment. One of the main ways remodeling increases property value is by modernizing outdated spaces. Homes that feature updated kitchens, bathrooms, and living areas tend to attract more interest from buyers. In Rochester Hills, where homeowners appreciate both comfort and style, modern finishes, updated fixtures, and improved layouts can make your home stand out. Even simple upgrades like new cabinetry, countertops, or flooring can have a noticeable impact on overall value. Kitchens are often considered the heart of the home, and remodeling this space can deliver one of the highest returns. A well-designed kitchen with efficient storage, modern appliances, and an open layout appeals to both current homeowners and potential buyers. In Rochester Hills, open-concept designs that connect the kitchen to living or dining areas are especially popular, as they create a more spacious and inviting environment. Bathroom renovations are another area where value can be significantly increased. Updating fixtures, improving lighting, and adding features like walk-in showers or double vanities can transform a basic bathroom into a more functional and appealing space. Buyers often look for homes with updated bathrooms, making this type of remodeling a smart investment. Energy efficiency is another important factor that contributes to property value. Upgrading windows, doors, insulation, or HVAC systems can improve how your home performs year-round. In Rochester Hills, where seasonal changes can affect indoor comfort, energy-efficient upgrades help maintain a consistent temperature while reducing utility costs. These improvements are highly attractive to buyers who are looking for long-term savings. Curb appeal also plays a major role in increasing home value. Exterior remodeling projects such as new siding, roofing, or entry doors can dramatically improve how your home looks from the outside. First impressions matter, and a well-maintained exterior can make your property more appealing to potential buyers. Even smaller updates like fresh paint or landscaping enhancements can contribute to a more polished appearance. Another way remodeling adds value is by improving functionality. Reconfiguring layouts, adding storage solutions, or finishing unused spaces can make your home more practical for everyday living. For example, converting a basement into a usable living area or creating a home office can increase both usability and value. In today's market, flexible spaces are highly desirable. Quality workmanship is also a key factor in maximizing the value of your remodeling project. Professional services ensure that renovations are completed correctly and meet local standards. This not only improves the durability of the upgrades but also gives buyers confidence in the quality of the home. Poorly executed projects, on the other hand, can reduce value and lead to future issues. Remodeling can also help your home stay competitive in the local market. In Rochester Hills, where buyers often compare multiple properties, updated homes tend to sell faster and at higher prices. By investing in improvements that align with current trends and buyer expectations, you position your home as a more desirable option. In addition to financial value, remodeling enhances your everyday living experience. Improved layouts, updated designs, and modern features make your home more comfortable and enjoyable. Even if you're not planning to sell right away, these upgrades provide immediate benefits that improve your quality of life. It's also important to approach remodeling with a clear plan. Prioritizing upgrades that offer the best return on investment ensures that your budget is used effectively. Working with experienced professionals can help you identify which projects will have the greatest impact on your home's value. In the end, remodeling in Rochester Hills is a powerful way to increase property value while improving how your home looks and functions. From modernizing key spaces to enhancing energy efficiency and curb appeal, the right upgrades can make a lasting difference. By investing in thoughtful renovations, You not only boost your home's market value but also create a space that better fits your lifestyle.